Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2014 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on this vehicle. Okay, first thing you want to do, currently right now the engine is running, but you don't have to have it running. You could just have it on the on position. But for this video we're going to do it with the engine running. So what you want to do is go ahead and scroll to the menu that shows you the oil life by pressing this button right here. So once you have it on the screen, what you're gonna do is just hold it down, and you keep holding it till the light starts flashing. Just a few seconds. Okay, so now we let it go, and we're gonna hold it one more time and just keep holding it. There we go, 100%. So the light's reset. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. Give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Take care.